I'm here in Wallsburg, Utah today. Here at the church, they have this old bell on display, the old Wallsburg church bell. A lot of the towns around Utah have bells on display. They had the bell in the first Wallsburg church in 1877. It would ring when people were going to church, when there were special events, emergencies. On the day of a funeral, the bell would toll the age of the person who had died. I don't think I've seen a lot of that in other states, but I've seen it all over Utah, preserving the old original bells. We've also got this plaque down here that talks about the founding of the area. William Wall was asked to build a road through Provo Canyon to Heber by Brigham Young. He settled in Heber and then in 1860 moved to Round Valley, which is this valley. I guess it's round. When William Wall died, they changed the name of the town of Round Valley to Wallsburg in his honor.